Hello traders, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video we are going to analyze gold chart on different time frames, and we are going to check important price action levels and price action structure for finding buy and sell opportunities for upcoming trading sessions. So before going into the price action chart, let's check the latest COT, that is commitment of traders report. And if we check the positions of the managed money into commitment of traders report, and if we check the change in position for this particular week, you can see that the money manager, or you can say the managed money, they decreasing, or you can say they covering their short positions by 17549. So this is a big short covering, and we already seen the impact in the price action chart, because after this short covering we have seen a good bullish move in previous week. But as you can see that the managed money covering their short, but they also decreasing their long positions. In previous COT report also we have seen that they decreasing their long position. So overall sentiment from the COT is still not favorable for in any side direction, like it is not completely bullish or not completely bearish. But the most important thing from the gold future chart is the open interest data. We already discussed this data in previous prediction videos also, and because you can see the open interest data, or you can say open interest number, is falling at a very low level. If you check the 5-year period, you can see this is at a very low or critical low level. And as per the historical sentiment and scenario, whenever the open interest fall to a low level, we have seen that bulls entered into the market, and we have seen a bullish move every time whenever the open interest fall below. But as you can see, it is at a very low level, so it means that the trend is not strong enough into any buy or into any sell side. So we have to wait for more data from the open interest also. But as per the current sentiment from the open interest, it is in the bulls favor. Okay, now let's move on to the price action chart, and let's check the weekly candle first. So I'm just going to check it on the simple price action form, and we are just going to check the formation. So on weekly chart, you can see on weekly the candle is bullish. As you can see, the candle formation is completely bullish as per the weekly closing, because you can see this is a good body candle. Now let's move on to 4-hour time frame chart, and if we check the the volume profile, let me show you. If we check the volume distribution for 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that current price is currently trading above to this high volume profile, or you can say high volume node area. This is the most traded area for this particular period. So as you can see, the price is closed above or nearly sitting above to this volume profile area. So if price sustain above this level, then we can expect that price might test the higher levels, and below this we can expect decline. And also let me change it to 1-hour time frame. And so as per the volume profile, this zone is a very critical zone that we have to watch carefully. But if we switch it to 1-hour time frame, and you can see that current price, as you can see, is taking support onto this trend line support, this right over here, you can see. So this trend line support is a good support right now, and also price break out this high volume node on the 1 hour time frame. So above this we have to look for the buy opportunities, and as you can see price rejected from this level around 2040, so we can expect a decline till this high is safe. So under this high we can look for the sell opportunities, and if price reject from here, then we can look for the buy opportunity. So above this trend line it is a good idea to stay into the buy, and if price break down from here, then on confirmation we can look for the sell opportunities on intraday time frame. So this is the scenario on 1 hour time frame. And if we check the pivot placement, you can see in previous week, you can see the price rejected right over here. You can see this is the opening session, that is Monday in previous week. So after opening we have seen a rejection from the weekly pivot. This was the weekly pivot, and it was around 2010 right over here, you can see. So after rejecting this level we have seen a continuous upside movement, and after that gold price rejected from the weekly resistance right over here. It is around 2035 roughly. So after this we have seen a rejection, but again price reversed from here and break out this level. So now this level is going to act as support, because this was previously acting as a resistance. Now it is going to act as support. So the immediate resistance is of course this weekly pivot 2040 that we already discussed in price action chart. So the major level is currently that we have to watch is 2040 and 2035. So if price sustain about 2 week this monthly pivot 2040, then we can look for buy, and under 2035 if price again reject down, then we are going to look for the sell opportunities on intraday time frame or intraday chart. Now let's check the chart of dollar, that is DXY, and you can see that the dollar currently facing resistance onto this Fibonacci golden zone, and price rejecting down as per this daily time frame. You can see price after rejecting to this level we have seen a decline, but gold taking or you can say gold getting help from the decline on US or 10-year yield. But this chart is also that we have to watch carefully, because currently the dollar is trading inside this ascending parallel channel, and you can see we have seen the rejection already from this trend line support. So if dollar able to hold the price above this trend line, then we can expect a bullish move on the dollar, which going to pressurize the gold bulls, and we can expect a decline on the gold chart. But if the dollar price failed to hold on this trend line, and if price break down into the downside, then we can look for buy opportunities on the gold chart. So these are the different scenarios that we have to consider for next week. Now let's check the data that we have to watch for next week. So on Monday we have the building permits, and also we have new home sales data on Monday. And next we have on Tuesday, we have core durable goods order, then CB consumer confidence, and the most important data for next week is GDP data, that is on Wednesday. And then we have next in Thursday we have core PC price index, initial jobless claim, and pending home sales data. On Friday we have manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing PMI. So these are the data that we have to watch carefully for next week. So we are going to discuss more about the data and the price action structure and levels in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.